Guys, how you doing? Welcome to the video. My name is Jed Albring. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about ClickFunnels affiliate commission. So, if you are an affiliate, or maybe you're thinking about becoming an affiliate, I can tell you right now the ClickFunnels affiliate program is one of the best, if not the best. So, in a nutshell, the way it works is on pretty much all products, because in case things change when the video comes out or when you watch this, at the time of recording, it's June 2019. 40%. Now, what's really cool about this is the two core products of ClickFunnels are the startup plan and the full suite. So the startup plan is $97 a month, and the Edison suite or full suite is $297. So you get 40% of those, and you get recurring commission. So you get 40% month after month as long as somebody stays a user. And most people that sign up for ClickFunnels do not stop using ClickFunnels because it's helping them make money, it's growing their business. So that's what's so cool about this. People don't use this for a month and leave. So you can see here like my current reoccurring commission. This is my monthly reoccurring revenue, and this is what I love about the, everything's laid out pretty clear. I don't have any trials or anything right now. I just started promoting a few months ago. I'm starting to kind of promote it a little heavier now, but this is pretty cool for just doing bare bones work. I've got $392 a month coming in. And to back up a second, so if you do the math in your head, 40% of 97, that's what, 38 bucks. 40% of 297 is around 100, 118. So you get a few people on the Edison suite plan or the full suite plan. That's 118 a month recurring, and then $38 may not sound like a lot of money, but there are ClickFunnels affiliates with 100, 200, 300, 500, even 1,000, 2,000 plus members. So you can see how it starts to build up over time, and it's reoccurring commission. But not only that, ClickFunnels has programs that are $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $5,000. You also get 40% commission of that. It starts to add up. Funnel Scripts, which has just raised its price. It's now, I believe, $800 one-time fee. You get 40% of that. So that's around $300. And one thing to point out is with the free book offers like .com Secrets, Network Marketing Secrets, Expert Secrets. Now, when you do promote the free book offer, it's actually one of the best things to promote. Here's why. It's a free offer, so it's free plus shipping. Now, you only get $1 commission for that book. However, you have the opportunity, if you see here, because now you've this one is the network marketing one. Okay. We'll just use this as example. Anyway, so this is the network marketing one, but here's the way to look at it is once they've entered in for the free book, not only are they in your funnel and hopefully on your email list, but also ClickFunnels is going to continue to market to them as well. So you have the best marketers in the world sending them emails, promoting them, upselling them. So you actually have the potential of earning just off of a free book $174.60 if they do the order bump, one-time offer, traffic secrets. But not only that, they're going to keep promoting them to now become a ClickFunnels user, because there's no reason to promote the book and then not promote ClickFunnels. So you can promote to them and market to them, but also ClickFunnels will continue to market to them. So now if they become a ClickFunnels user, you're also going to get that $38 a month recurring or $118 recurring. Okay, ClickFunnels has something called sticky cookies, which means if most programs have like 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, 60, maybe 90 days, meaning when someone clicks on the button, we'll give you up to 30 days. And if they buy within 30 days, you get the credit. But after 30 days, if they buy again, it's our credit or the other representative's credit. ClickFunnels, if someone clicks on my link today and doesn't buy for another year, I still get credit. So that's what's cool about this. So you got to think about it as power in the numbers. More people clicking on your link, the more times you're getting it out there, the more chances you're going to get for people to buy. So that is ClickFunnels commission. I hope that makes sense. I will leave a link below. You guys can try out ClickFunnels for free for 14 days. You automatically become an affiliate. You can check out the affiliate center yourself. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much.